Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm participating in a fall collab. It's put together by Rachel from Day to Day Joys. There will be a link in the description box with all the videos in the collab. And today I am doing a fall wardrobe additions or thread up haul. This isn't super fall oriented, but honestly I'm just not in the decor mood yet. I know it's all over YouTube and everything, but I just haven't gotten there personally. So I will link my decor from last year because my decor for this year is probably going to be just about the same thing. Just a lot of pumpkins and squashes around, some natural wreaths that I got from my mom's backyard. She has some vines growing back there. So I did those last year, and maybe some essential oils, aromatherapy, and you know, just really simple things. Maybe next year I'll do something fancy and it'll be great. But as for this year, I'm still kind of natural and minimalist about my decor. So I thought I would show you a couple of things that I got from thredUP. I tend to buy clothes 2 to 4 times a year, kind of with the seasons. Basically each season I'll get a few things, and that's just about all I get. For the day-to-day, mostly I just wear t-shirts. I love these from, what is it called? I'll put the name of it here. I can't remember. Packed Organic. Yeah, that's what it is. I love these shirts from Packed Organic. They have a couple different styles that I like, and I will link those in the description box. These are like my mom uniform. I wear these just about every day with a couple of simple pairs of shorts, and then when it gets cooler, some capris or leggings, or not really leggings, like jeans. And so today, I can't remember everything that I got. I know that I got a couple pair of leggings for working out, and then a dress shirt, and I think I got 2 other things, but I can't remember what they are, so let's see. So it comes, and I actually got 2 packages. They came on different days, so I was surprised when I got the second one a couple days later. It says pushing the envelope on secondhand since 2009. Congratulations, guys. What do you think about my lip color? It's Tarte. I got like a sample of it, and I don't usually wear anything on my lips besides like lip balm, so if you like it, let me know. Maybe I'll start wearing it more. I might get the actual like thing of it. Ooh, okay. I just love their packaging. Oh, this is like, okay, I'm excited about this. This says let's stick together. Love a good pun. This is a lace shirt that I got. And let's see if I like it. Okay, so it's lacy in the front, and then just like regular cotton in the back. I think this was 100% cotton. I usually get my tops 100% cotton, and a little oversized for me, so hopefully I'll really like that. I like to buy looser shirts. I'm not really into anything super fitted, so that'll be it for like church or date night or something like that. And then in my box I got ceiling deals. Oh, I remember, this is totally fall. Who am I kidding? Okay. So first we got this pair of workout leggings. These are actually Nike, which I would not buy normally, but since they were secondhand, I get them like way cheaper than I would pay at the store. So it's just a gray pair of leggings, and you can see the Nike symbol right there. So I'll be all fancy when I work out, and a little bit warmer. And this is a nice material. This almost feels more like cotton. It says polyester, spandex, and oh yeah, 61% cotton, because my skin is a little sensitive to like fake fibers and stuff, like man-made stuff. So I'm hoping that this cotton will be a little bit more breathable, and that my skin will like it better than like the whatever spandex, like 100% or whatever it is. Oh, this is interesting right here. Okay, so this brand is Demi Lovato Fabletics. So I think Fabletics is like the one that it's always like on Instagram advertising and everything. So this is a really cool color. I just love this deep purple color. So we'll see how I like them. They definitely have more of that stretchy feel. They're not as like cottony. So we'll see how my skin does with these. It's just really like, yeah, it's mostly nylon and then polyester and elastin. So we'll see how this goes. But I just wanted a couple of like calf length pairs for when it gets colder, if I'm working out or whatever. And then, okay, so I just got that lace top and then the 2 workout pants, and then I got this, which is totally fall, and it is a plaid top by Madewell. I have never purchased anything from Madewell before, so this looks like it's already a little broken in, which is fine with me for the type of piece that it is. I'll probably roll up the sleeves, but it looks really comfy, and I could wear it under a tank, or over a tank top, or like over a shirt like this or something, or on its own, or tie it up on the side or something. It just looks really nice for fall. So this is totally fall. Totally in with this fall theme. I couldn't remember honestly that I got this top, but the rest of them I remembered. So do you ever like order something and you can't remember? Because honestly I got these items like a week and a half ago and I didn't have time to film. I just haven't been able to like sit down for a second. But here I am today. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to Rachel and all the other ladies for participating. I can't wait to see your super like more fall themed stuff. I mean, this is like, I'm kind of scraping in on the tail end of this deadline here, but I just wanted to join with all these other ladies. I really enjoy the community that we have here and encouraging one another in our journeys here on YouTube and in life. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to join my community. I just love looking at life, trying to see the glass half full. So that's my name, is A Beautiful Horizon, because I'm always trying to see, you know, the silver lining for things, and just trust that God knows what he's doing and that everything will be made beautiful in his time. So if you're interested in that, motherhood, somewhat minimalist, and homeschooling, homemaking, that sort of thing, I would love for you to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!